up, y'all? Welcome back to another riding video. It's your man, Mr. POV. And today we're riding down the other side of Delaware Ave, going down the south side. Quick little bike ride. So we're gonna cut through Penn's Landing a little bit, and we're gonna end up where Walmart's at. Yep. So if you like this type of video, hit that like button for me. Hit that share button for me. And let's enjoy the ride. Let's go. Come on, fellas, out the way. That's the Ben Franklin yacht that we just passed right here. I remember when I told y'all about that park that was building. So this is a part of it right here. The park gonna extend all the way out to here. So that's why these tarps up. Cause this is how far the park gonna be coming. It's gonna be pretty. It's gonna be a pretty big park. All right, I know down here I gotta walk the bike. I'm not gonna be able to ride the bike across, so. I already know that rules, so. Let's walk the bike through. So down here, this is Spruce Street Harbor Park.
Thank you, sir.
All right. I know the rules. I know the rules. So they just opened this section back up today. I was down here the other day and they wasn't out here, so usually they wait till Memorial Day to open up, but they opened up a few days early, so that's all good. You can't ride your bike down here, you gotta roll it across.
It's gonna be good, you guys are gonna be jealous.
So, yep. So I gotta come down here and get a street corn. But everything's not set up down here yet. Everything's not open up. So, but when it does, man, it's gonna be packed down here. Ooh, they got a new beer garden. I gotta come check out right up here. New beer garden. Gotta come check it out right there. That's, oh, and it got a stage. Oh my God. Yeah, I gotta come check this out. Definitely gotta come check this out tomorrow night. See what's up. All right, let's get back on the bike. Let's go. Yeah, I gotta come back down here and check it out. And over here on my left is the Mushilu. It's a restaurant. It's very overpriced restaurant. You get your drinks in a plastic cup. Very overpriced, and you get your drinks in a plastic cup. You get basic food, which I don't understand, but hey, people still go there, so yep. I would not be going there. And then right behind it, you have the Spirit of Philadelphia. That's the one all the way in the back. And then in front of it is the City Cruise. Yo, you taking his coat off, man. Those are two cruise liners, you know, right around the city, right around the river. Doing dinner cruises. Those two are pretty good. The Mushilu, it doesn't move, it stays right there. And like I said, overpriced. And you gotta take my word for it. You can come here and check it out yourself. All right, let's continue our journey. Windy. Oh, it is windy. Oh. Sorry. I passed this little spot right here. Let's go check this out. Holy shit. Little spot to come and chill at, you know how it is. Tugboat over there. Yeah, nice little bridge. Nice little quiet spot. You can come over here, bring your little chick with you or whoever you want to bring, and you'll have yourself a good time. Now, I climbed this thing here before. I'm not climbing again. That thing is scary, especially when you get up to the very top of this. It's really scary. It starts wobbling with all the wind that's blowing. Yeah, I'm not going up there, so yep. I'm gonna be a little biatch right now. I ain't going up there. All right, let's get out of here. Nice little park area to come chill at. Stray cat. A lot of pollen kicking up today, a lot of pollen. Cyclist. I saw another path, but I'm not gonna take that one. It looks real sketchy. So I'm not gonna do it. Ooh. Just on another one. I don't know. Let's see. Should we or should not we? Should we check it out? Or don't check it out? It's right here. This a little path right here. Should we go down this? Should we go down there? Let's not. Another day. We go down there another day. Okay, you got the homeless down here. Man, they got the whole camp going on down here. Damn. Yo, they got a whole little homeless campment going on down there. Set up real nice too. But damn. Tell you, man, the homeless, they got the best real estate in the city. They on the waterfront. Damn, bird. They on the waterfront. They got the best real estate in the world. Nah, I ain't going down there. And right back here, we got Walmart. My favorite store. Yep, it's my favorite place to shop. Walmart. Love it. I think I visit Walmart once a week. I don't know why, but I do. Now it's a lot of little cutoff paths that I could go down, but they all look real sketchy as hell, and I don't want to go down there. Here we go. We got another one right here. Another path. Bam, bam. Another pier right here. Now they be doing a lot of fishing down here. This one of the main spots they come to fish at. We got a lot of ducks out here today. I'm just charging up my camera real quick, y'all. Yeah, but this is where we're gonna end the video at, down here. And here go the geese. They out here feeding and they're doing fishing at the same time. Got some guys down here getting their fishing on. And there go the ducks. And people doing fishing and they're feeding them. There's a lot of bird out here. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank y'all for joining me for another ride. I appreciate it. It's your man, Mr. POV, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.